Alright, today is just a product use and review of this Muc-Off motorcycle cleaner. This is not a sponsored video. This is just some stuff that I use every time I try to clean off any motorcycle, especially after a long trip or before I'm going to work on it. It does really well with just getting the mud and the dirt off. It's not going to do a deep clean, but all this stuff right here, you spray this on and it comes right off. You don't even have to scrub it, just water. I'll put a link to this stuff in the comments and the description, and you can order these bottles that come without the spray nozzle, or you can order it all together. Super easy to use. And again, all you got to do with it is get the bike wet, spray this stuff all over it, let it sit for a couple minutes, spray it all off. You're supposed to let it soak in for a little bit. The rain's probably not helping because it's washing some of it right off, but the best results are when it has time to sit in for a little while. But I'm gonna give it a couple minutes and rinse it off, and we'll see how it looks. That's all there is to it. Sorry about the water on the video, but I'm gonna wheel it inside and let it dry off for 10 or 20 minutes, and we'll see how it looks.